If you're watching this video, you probably have a script and want to turn it into a video using AI. Check out this channel. See the easy AI tutorial videos? The income of this channel, including ad revenue and affiliate marketing revenue, is around $5,000 per month. This is another channel just like that. And estimated income of this health information channel is monthly over $10,000. You can find many channels like these on YouTube, and some of them make good money. And let me share even better news with you. They use AI to simplify and streamline the process of turning scripts into videos. After watching this video, you'll also be able to pick a niche. Start making videos like these and earn a lot. No technical skills? No problem. Grab your laptop and let's start your journey to becoming a successful YouTube creator. First, let me show you how to transform a written script into an engaging video. Let's go to the Pictory site and sign up for a free trial account. The link is in the description, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've signed up, you're ready to start. I assume you have your script ready. The first step is to upload your written text to the platform. Click this option and write a title for your video. Don't worry too much about it. You can change it later. Now, for example, here is my script. I'll paste it here and separate the sentences. In the end, you can now adjust the scene settings to your liking. I prefer these settings, but feel free to choose whatever you want. Then, press here to proceed to create the video. All right, it's time to pick your style. Pictory has tons of options, so you can create the perfect video. Each template has its own vibe, so find one that suits your taste. After selecting the style, let's add the voiceover with single-click under audio. You can select any voice from the Pictory library or upload your own. If you want to add or remove scenes, you can use Delete and Add Scene button. And don't forget, for informative videos, music is key. It's like adding sprinkles to your ice cream. Pictory offers a big music library for you to explore. Just choose a music and apply it to your video. Once you're happy with your editing, hit Preview and let Pictory do the rest. In just a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality video ready.
Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence, or AI, and how it's revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play.
It is really good, isn't it? Pictory is like having a personal video editor, minus the need to pay lots of money. The best part? You don't have to be a tech expert to use it. Click the link in the description to sign up and start creating magic. If you found the video helpful, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Your support helps me grow and create more content like this. Now, let me share a little secret about creating the perfect voiceovers without using Pictory's default voices. With just a few clicks, you can achieve this. Say hello to 11 Labs, my ultimate voiceover companion. With 11 Labs, you can easily create custom, ready-to-publish voiceovers. To get started, simply sign up for 11 Labs using the link in the description. You can use 11 Labs for free up to a certain limit of voiceover text. Once you're signed up, you're ready to create beautiful voiceovers. First, simply paste your voiceover text into the box provided on the opening page. For voiceover, you can choose from a variety of voices. I prefer using an American accent with a clear male voice for my educational videos on this channel, but whatever your preference, 11 Labs has options for you. And here's the best part. You can adjust the stability, similarity, and style exaggeration of your voiceover to perfectly match your video's mood. After you finish your settings, click Generate, and your voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. Once it's complete, you can easily download it by clicking the Download button. Working with 11 Labs is both easy and fun. The link is in the description. Sign up for a free account and start experimenting today. Now let's consider another scenario. You don't have a script for your video. Don't worry. You can use any AI chatbot to generate script ideas and even the script itself. In this video, I'll use ChatGPT for this purpose. It's like having a super smart robot sidekick. If you'd like to follow along, you can start with ChatGPT's free version. After creating your account, the first step is to decide on your video's topic. It could be anything that interests you, like finance, fashion, or sports. Once you've chosen a topic, you can start generating ideas with ChatGPT. Let's say we pick sports. You can ask, give me YouTube topic ideas about staying fit in the summertime, and ChatGPT will provide some ideas. If you don't like the initial suggestions, you can ask for more. Let's say we select this idea. Now we need an engaging intro to grab viewers' attention. For that, you can copy and paste the prompt I use here. Hit the button, and after a few seconds, your intro is ready. Look at these details. It is amazing, isn't it? With our introduction script finalized, it's now time to move on to the main script. For that, you can use the following prompt to generate the full script. Just write this to the same chat where you created your introduction script. ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. I find it still impressive how quickly it can produce such great content. After you have your script, copy and paste it into a Drive folder. It's very important to review it sentence by sentence and adjust it to match your style. Otherwise, viewers might realize it's auto-generated content. For example, you can add personal insights like I did earlier in this video by sharing my voiceover preferences. Once your script is finalized, you can turn it into a video using the approach I demonstrated in another video. Click the link at the top right to watch it. In this video, you've discovered how to craft scripts, transform them into videos using AI, and personalize them with voiceovers. Now it's your turn to begin creating. Are you ready to say goodbye to the traditional 9-5 grind? As you have seen in this video, self-employment doesn't require technical expertise. You can start today and work from anywhere in the world. If this sounds like your thing, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's stay connected. Thanks for watching.